We're back and it's time to paint, y'all, but first we have to make sure everything is prepped.
So Ray cutting up the foam, stuffing them up.
And these spots up here so we can stop any heat from transferring over there.
Keep these spaces separate.
Yeah.
But you got your measurements, so you get your measurements on the phone.
Yeah.
And I'm about to get to doing this drain right here. Just got done doing some touch-up mud. Let's knock this out.
They got me out here working on the railroad.
Talk your smack. What you was saying?
Yeah, I was just talking my smack because I'm up here telling him measurements, and he talking about them. Oh yeah, that's what I told you, that they are the same. But I just told him the measurements is way bigger.
First of all, I said they not the same.
Oh,
Yeah. Get back to work.
Sure.
Can't fuck up my motion. Cruise, now we coasting. Make my own wave like a boat that's in the ocean. Get took by the tide, but you gotta stay focused. Losing the track of time, I'll leave your ass wide open.
So when you start hearing that, boy, I mean it's dry. We got the ceiling done and it's painted black. Fresh black ceilings. He was a little nervous at first when I told him about it. That thing looking good. We got these walls prime white. They looking real good. This is my first time using the PVA primer. And when we first put it on, it made like the mud wet and stuff like that. And it was kind of looking like a glue paste. But it's weird because it dried white. So this is what it looked like when we first put it on. It looked like this here. But somehow it dried icy white, which is good. So far this thing looking good. It's on a late night right now, so I just got done cleaning out the paint sprayer, all that good stuff. And we'll be back in here tomorrow.
You can follow this because I'm going the other way. Chasing after paper, trying to redirect the way.
Yeah, I'm over here hacking it up. What y'all know about that? So what am I doing? I'm trying to clean up these ceiling paint lines. Need some more coats too, but y'all see that? Versus that. Woo, okay, you made it to the end. Thank you so much for watching. Please make sure you leave a like, and always know if you want more art life, go to ARTTlife.com.